Hello guys. When to buy a stock is the most important thing in the process of selecting stocks to buy. So there are many ways when to buy a stock. Okay, so in this video I'll try just to give you these ways, and I give you some information about when to buy a stock, and it is just a discussion. Okay, so let's go to explanation. Now, suppose the stock is going up and then it makes a correction. Whatever is this correction, 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, or 2 days, or whatever is the correction. So, and then when the stock is going to go up, here is where you should buy. It means at the beginning, and this is what we call support, or what we call the bottom. Okay, the support or the bottom, or what we call at a discount. These are just words to be used, okay, at a discount. Just words we use in order to show, okay, at a discount. Because let's say the price here is $25, the stock has been going down, let's say to $18, but it stops and it goes to, and then we will see the trend. Let's say here it's 45. So you can buy here, and you can buy at any moment here. Okay, at any moment you can buy in the trend. Okay, now all this kind of buy, okay, has rules, or what we call rules, or for me I call them most of the time criteria. It means what is the thing that you should see in order to buy a stock? Criteria and rules. Now each trader has, it means when he succeeds to make money in the market, each trader has some criteria, but basically it's from the support or from any other part from the trend, because you will never know how long the trend will be. I have showed you in some videos where we have a two-year trend. It means it is so strong that some stocks and some industries, ETFs, go for so long, 1 year or 2 years or 6 months or 3 months or 2 weeks. It depends on each stock. Okay, so these points that I showed you where to buy is the exact time. It means when. But each place where you want to buy, it has some criteria. These criteria, you will never find them in books, okay, or most of the time online, okay, because this information has a price. It is a paid information. It's not free information that you can find in books, and especially those who are using what we call indicator. Now when you use an indicator, most of the books gives you these indicators, and they ask you to use indicators or what we call moving averages. Okay, moving averages. This is what they ask you to do. But all these that you see are all this information that they give you. It has been used for a long time ago, and each year you have a new indicators, a new things that is published in books and sold, these indicators are sold, and you find them in your chart. Because whenever you have a chart, you can put a moving average. It shows you a line like this or whatever, and they ask you buy here and sell here and do here. Now, for me, as I am concerned, I am not using all this stuff that it is online or in books. So I have my own criteria. Okay, now specific criteria, and a lot of chart criteria also. Okay, because people who use a chart a lot are called chartists. Now, chartists are people who look at the chart and use technical analysis. Technical analysis, it means basically you analyze the price. The price is everything. Okay, how the price moves. The movement of the price is what we follow. Okay, so if there is a trend, or there is let's say a correction, if there is a support line, okay, support line, or if there is resistance line, you will find a lot like these, but the ones that we use are only one, not all of them. There is only one out of many. Now, if the trend here, just to show, now if the trend is moving, okay, the trend is moving, let's say it is $45, here it is $21. Now, the more difficult one is the first one, is here. The beginning of the trend is the most difficult one, and most of the people, they can't make it. The beginning, which is for professional traders only, okay, or someone who has done this by chance. Okay, some people, they just buy whatever, so by chance, so they don't know what they are doing, but they just find a stock, or they heard some people talk and they buy it, and it is going into a trend, so they make money. But those people who use a chance, they can't do it again. They can't do it because they don't know how or why, or what is the criteria for choosing that stock. It's just by random. Now, for professional traders, it's using rules that they know, and you use criteria that you know, and you always do for all the stocks. It means these rules applies for all the stocks, whatever they are. Now, the easiest thing is when you just buy the stock in all the trend. Okay, this is the easiest way. When you find the trend, you just find a point and you buy. But still, even these easiest ways, there are some rules here. If you apply them, you will know exactly when to buy the stock. So this is how you develop a way to do business. Okay, so this, if you want to do it by yourself, you need years to understand this phenomenon, to understand price movement, to understand where to buy, and then to put rules. You need years to find these rules and to put them, and then if you succeed, you become a successful trader. Okay, you can't do that by yourself if you continue to trade for many years. That's why I told you that one of the secrets of trading, is to trade long. It means long, it means many years, at least many years. You stay. Not you blow not here is where the people, they can't stay in trading for many years. They go to very difficult trades like penny stocks. Okay, penny stocks, and they go for stocks that are 35 cents or 5 cents or 0.00.05 like this, and they began to buy these stocks with $5,000 or $10,000, and then anything that goes wrong, all this money is wiped out because of this manipulation, because all these stocks that are small can be manipulated easily, so your money can be gone easily because it is a manipulated stock. There are some penny stocks that are not manipulated, and that's why I made training level 10, how to trade penny stocks, because this is for other penny stocks that are common penny stocks that are not the way as these. So if people goes to difficult trades, risky trades, what will happen to them? They can't stay, because if you have, for example, 10,000, now a stock is 35, let's say 36, then suddenly it goes to 18 cents, you lose $5,000 very quick. Okay? I know you say, oh, what if this 36 goes to 50 or 60 or $1, you can make money. Yes, you can make money. I'm not saying you can't make money. But the risk here is too much, because anything that it is bad, your account will be wiped out. That's why a lot of people, they can't stay trading many years. They trade 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. At the end, they have no money. I have seen a lot of people, they send me emails. One guy, he has won $45,000. Now I think he has 25,000 only. I tell him, how? How can $145,000, it goes to 25 in few months? It means he is doing very, very, very difficult trades with penny stocks. Okay? That is the problem. Now, there are only 2 ways to educate yourself. Either you do it yourself, it takes you many years, you trade, you begin to focus on some stocks, you try to see how they move, how you can buy them from the support line, resistance line, or from anywhere in the trend. If you succeed in many years and you begin to make money, you should make rules and you make a strategy. And the strategy should not just where to buy, where to sell, but it could be to have a lot of things like money management, like risk management, account management, position management. There are a lot of things. You control the commissions that you do. You should know how many trades you do in a month. It means you control everything in order to make money. So making money is not just where to buy, where to sell. If you think that it is like this, you will never make money like this. Because there are a lot of things that you should learn in order to make a business. If you are thinking to make a business and to make money in the future for the long run, this is what you should do. Or you should very easily take a training and you begin right, and you set all the rules, you study them, you discover everything, and you begin to trade the practice, and then you just begin to see the money after a few months of practicing. So you should understand things before you get the money. Now, other people, they like to continue what they are doing, and they are scared to show what they do because they know they do a lot of mistakes and they don't want to share, or they don't want to show how bad they are doing. And they continue trading for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, and then they blow out their account, and then they stop trading. Okay? This is what most of the people do. But there are some other people, they have never traded before. They take the training. I have taught a lot of people all over the world, from Asia, from Africa, from Europe, from South America, from here, USA and Canada, even Australia. Okay? So they have never traded before, so they get to know the market right from the beginning. They understand the risk, they understand everything they want to understand in order to begin trading. Even there are some people, like some people, let's say in Australia, for example, they have a high commission. Some people, they go and they open a USA account is better for them because commission there is too much. $20 to buy, $20 to sell. They got $40 in one trade by the broker. So it's too much. So understand to stop your spending. The problem is in spending, in commissions and fees and a lot of stuff in your trading. This will kill every earning that you have. A lot of people, they can make money, but at the end of the year, they are still broke and they lose money. It's just because their broker takes too much money from them because they trade too much, or they use a margin account. They use broker money and they don't know how to trade, and they lose a lot of money from fees and interest rate. That's why you should understand all this stuff in order to have a clear vision what you are doing. Now, when you understand the business, you begin to practice, the money comes by itself. Because stocks, every day they go up. You find the trends all over the world. Okay? All over the year. Like someone who tells me, you know, there are some books before people, they read books and they get influenced by these writers. Sell on May, buy on September or November. What is this a stupid thing? Okay? I show you stocks that are in summer. What did in summer? They did it better than spring or winter or autumn. So stop getting these ideas that are false. The market doesn't go because it is May or because it is June or because it is December. The market is going, stocks are going up, making very, very long trends. When the trends ends, they stop, they go down. It's all over. All the market is like mixed. That's why, in order to see clear, you should understand how the stocks are moving. Understand that the stock moves today. It is not like stock, like another stock that goes up next month. They are different. Each day we have stocks that are trending. Some they finish today, others they begin yesterday, others they will begin next week or next month. So all this market is always changing its surface. It means things change. For example, a lot of people, for example, last year, we have seen, I showed you examples of utilities stocks and ETF. Last year, they were so good in the first 6 months. In 2017, I showed you, if you go to my videos in June or May or April last year, 2017, you will see those videos. But utilities will never go up like this for 10 years. No, it goes for 6 months, 1 year, 1 year and a half, and then they stop. They go down. There are other industries that are going up. Okay? So the market is always into a balance. Some stocks go up, some stocks go down, some industries go up, some industries go down. This is the market. You should understand how it works in order to make money from it. But the market is always good. Even if when it is going downtrend, you will find some ETFs to use, and you can go down with the trend, or you can use options, or you can short sell stocks or whatever. It means there are many ways in each market, but it is not the whole market. Okay, you find more stocks either going up or going down. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you have questions, ask questions. And tomorrow I will have my live around 10 o'clock tomorrow on YouTube. Please, if you have time, come join us. And thank you very much. See you tomorrow at 10. Thank you.